Why are there not more people talking about Charles Osborne's 68-year hiccup marathon? This guy deserves a medal. So Charles Osborne, a farmer from Iowa, started hiccuping in 1922. And guess what? He didn't stop until 1990. That's 68 years of nonstop hiccups, folks. Can you imagine? He hiccuped around 430 million times. That's like hiccuping every second of every day for decades. Doctors think it all started when he fell and hit his head. Talk about a hiccup in your plans. But hey, he still lived a pretty normal life. Had a family, a job, and probably the best excuse ever for not liking spicy food. So next time you get the hiccups, just remember Charles Osborne. And be glad yours will probably last just a few minutes. Hit that like button if you're hiccup free right now.